Now we replace both the capacitor as well and the overload and both. Bio. Then now see, you can see here the switching is coming. And then ampere is 0.65, voltage 220. This means perfect. The condition is getting hot. See, it's working well. After replacing the two things, we keep this fridge until 1 hour. The result you can see here. See, cooling is already maintained 5. So now first we adjust middle, almost middle, so it will maintain on the top switch, so automatically it will switch off. Today I am going to check this deep freeze, the Godrej. The cover, just now I removed it to check the compression. First of all, I check the power supply and then the overload. Sorry, this is PTC relay. Then I check the overload, okay or not. And then I check the compressor. Compressor was not running at all. Then I check the thermostat one, functioning or not. Then I found the voltage was not in sequence, and then compressor was not running at all. Then I replace the PTC relay one. Then I found the voltage little bit low, and I add the capacitor. See, I fix this 6 BF capacitor for starting. See, after this I will replace this one. Then again we will check the load as well. Then another problem we found, it was in the narrow place. The condenser heating was not passing to the air.